Okay, problem number 5. Here I'm graphing the inequality system of inequalities. I have y less than or equal to negative 1/3 x plus 3 and y greater than 2x minus 5. Let's go ahead and let the red line represent the first equation. And we're going to let a green line represent the second equation. Do a little Christmas colors there. Alright, so let's take the red one first. So this is my y-intercept, so this is 3 is where it's crossing the y-axis at. So I go up 1, 2, 3, make my first point, and then I have a slope of negative 1/3. So from this point I go down 1 and to the right 3. Okay, this is an equals to, so it's going to be a solid line. So I take now and I'm going to graph this. Like so. And if I use my test point 0, 0, so if I pick 0, 0 as my test point, so this is 0 and this is 0. 1/3 times 0 is 0. So is 0 less than 3? And your answer is yes, it is, Mr. Lovellford. So I'm going to be shading in a downward fashion there. Okay. The other inequality is 2x minus 5. So let's go ahead and use that. So now my y-intercept is at negative 5. So I go down here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have a slope of 2, which is the same as 2 over 1. So from this point I go up 2 and to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. And now I'll go ahead and draw that line. So now that we graphed our second line, we need to figure out that shading. So again, if I use 0, 0 as my test point, okay, so I put 0 here, I put a 0 here, and so I got 0 greater than negative 5. Is that true? And you go, it certainly is, Mr. Lovellford. And so I have my shading going in this direction. So my common shaded region then, my common shaded region is this region right in here. And in our book, when we talk about linear programming, this is what we call the feasible region. That would be the feasible region. All right, very good.